The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome truck is an absolute fusion of big rig power and luxury RV living, designed for those who want to conquer the open road without sacrificing comfort. At first glance, it's unmistakably Kenworth: long, sleek, and powerful, with that signature extended nose and bold chrome grille that commands attention wherever it rolls. But once you step inside, the transformation into a luxury motorhome is striking. This isn't just a hauler. It's a five-star hotel on wheels, built on the chassis of one of the most respected long-haul trucks in American history. Starting with the powerhouse under the hood, the 2025 W900 Motorhome truck comes equipped with the latest version of the PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and around 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough muscle to pull not only the massive body of the motorhome but also any toy haulers, trailers, or additional vehicles you want to take along. Coupled with a 12-speed automated transmission, the drive feels smooth and responsive, despite the size. Kenworth's updated engine technology also ensures greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions, staying in line with current EPA standards, a big plus for eco-conscious travelers. But the real magic of the W900 Motorhome is inside the cab and the extended living quarters. Once you enter, you're greeted with a level of craftsmanship that rivals high-end custom RVs. The living space is fully integrated with high-gloss wood, cabinetry, leather seating, LED ambient lighting, and a full entertainment system. The sections dramatically expand the living area, allowing for a full-sized lounge with recliners and a retractable TV. A complete kitchen with a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and full-size refrigerator. And a bathroom equipped with a shower and porcelain toilet. The bedroom at the rear offers a queen or even king-sized bed option, generous wardrobe space, and climate control for absolute comfort on any leg of your journey. On the tech front, Kenworth has upgraded the driver's cockpit for 2025 with their SmartWheel multifunction system, integrating infotainment, cruise control, and driver assistance features all within thumb's reach. A large 15-inch digital instrument panel replaces traditional gauges, fully customizable and offering real-time data on tire pressure, fuel economy, GPS navigation, and engine diagnostics. The inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system brings this big rig up to modern safety standards, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver for such a massive vehicle. The chassis is built with long-haul durability in mind. This truck is still, at its core, a true commercial-grade vehicle. That means reinforced suspension, heavy-duty axles, and massive braking systems capable of handling extreme loads over long distances. Yet the ride quality doesn't suffer, thanks to air-ride seats, an air suspension system, and acoustic insulation throughout the cab and living quarters. Road noise is kept to a minimum, and every mile feels smooth and controlled. The exterior design of the W900 Motorhome truck maintains its big rig heritage with polished aluminum wheels, dual exhaust stacks, and long side fairings. But it adds RV flair with custom paint schemes, LED lighting, outdoor storage compartments, and even optional outdoor kitchens or entertainment setups. Whether parked at a campsite, tailgate event, or a national park, it turns heads and draws admiration from both truckers and RV enthusiasts alike. Another huge selling point is the towing capacity. Unlike traditional RVs or Class A motorhomes that may struggle with towing, the W900's commercial engine and frame allow it to tow up to 40,000 pounds or more. That opens the door for toy haulers, boats, and even a second vehicle or race trailer. It's the perfect choice for motorsports teams, musicians on tours, or anyone looking to live large on the road without limits. Customization is also a key factor, because the W900 Motorhome is built more like a conversion rather than a mass-market RV. Buyers often work with specialized builders to design the interior to their exact tastes. Whether you want marble countertops, custom upholstery, satellite internet, solar panels, or an onboard washer, dryer, the possibilities are nearly endless. This gives each unit a level of exclusivity that you won't find in factory-built maintenance, and reliability are equally impressive. Kenworth trucks are built to run for over 1 million miles when properly cared for. Parts are widely available. Service networks are nationwide, and experienced mechanics know how to handle these trucks with ease. That makes long-distance travel worry-free, especially for those planning to live full-time in their vehicle or cross international borders. Despite its size and capabilities, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome truck is designed for user comfort and intuitive operation. New owners are often surprised at how easy it is to drive, particularly with the automatic transmission, modern driver aids, and improved visibility. The seating position is high, offering a commanding view of the road, and the suspension absorbs much of the vibration that can wear down drivers on long hauls. For couples or individuals looking for an overlanding powerhouse that also functions as a luxury apartment, the W900 Motorhome is hard to beat. Families might find the space tight compared to residential style RVs unless additional bunk space or an extra trailer is added. But for those who prioritize durability, style, and long-term travel capabilities, this truck stands in a class of its own. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome truck is not your average motor. It's for the serious road warrior, the kind of person who wants the freedom to travel anywhere, with no compromises in comfort, power, or style. It represents a unique niche where trucking power meets RV luxury, and it does so with unmatched authority. Whether you're planning a cross-country tour, living full-time on the road, or just want the baddest RV at the campground, the W900 Motorhome delivers a bold statement with every mile.